Hi, what's up, Vechain holder? Congratulations, my brother. Congratulations. It's time to celebrate now because Vechain is completely and the trending. And I have very special news and special update about Vechain, my brother, for all holders who are new, who are all, because my brother, and absolutely who is a short-term investor, especially for short-term investor. Short-term investor, congratulations to this time. You can see your Vechain will get in a very short time very good profit now, and definitely I know my brother suggested only in 2 or 3 days, my friends, they will move upward more and more, because at the end of month every coin will starting moving upward now. So I am 100% sure to upcoming time they will move upward, but just in only if you hold it. So holders, don't do any mistake, please hold it. I hope they will give you a profit, but just in only needs to you hold. So hold, and you can see the chain occur last 7 days, last 24 hours, last 1 hour, all chain occur positive now, and the price is 0.07 USD dollar. So I hope they will hit now 0.1 USD dollar at the end of month. But if they just only hit now, my brother, 0.1 USD dollar, so they will make you a millionaire now, and they will give you a very good profit now. This time, my brother, you can see here the Vechain price is jumps down in the start of this week, but definitely, my friend, you can see here after this fell, you can see here after Wednesday 21, you can see here they were starting moving upward now, and congratulations, my brothers, to today they also moving upward now. So my prediction is also going to be positive now. I hope in upcoming time they will move upward. Just and only you need to hold, and if you have any plan to invest more, so go now and invest now. I hope they will give you a profit. Thanks for watching, Vechain holder. Please like video and subscribe channel.